How to restart TikTok without deleting it. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to restart TikTok without deleting it. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch TikTok application and make sure that you sign in to your account. Navigate to profile icon at bottom right. Select three-line icon at top right. Now choose setting and privacy at bottom. Scroll down, look for Content and Display section and select Content Preferences section or the option and tap on Refresh Your For You feed. Here you need to tap on Continue button to start or have a fresh start and tap on Refresh button and then you need to choose the region and tap on Submit button. And with that, you have successfully restarted TikTok without deleting it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.